Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Tim Aslan here with Counter Trend Capital, checking in, bringing you a new video. Bitcoin has been crazy. It's been pumping. Today it's been dumping. So I'll have an update on that one coming soon. It's just hard to give more accurate predictions when the market is being irrational like that. So I'm going to switch over to oil and talk about oil for a bit, and we'll go from there, okay? So oil has been super interesting. If you've seen our reel that we posted, or our YouTube short, then you saw we caught a really nice move on it in the group. We longed in this area down here, and we got this triple wave move. Overall, it was a almost 10% gain on a commodity, which is amazing, especially with leverage. So really nice move on there. But now we obviously got out of that trade, and we're looking for the next opportunity, and I think there's a great opportunity coming shortly. That's why I wanted to make this video. So if you look right here, we have a larger triple wave structure coming down, and using these fibs, the 1.23 is actually what we used to catch this original long. So we know these fibs are reacting well, and that's why the next fib in the sequence is the golden ratio 1.618 right here at 67.75. So I'm really keen in this area. And to further push that confluence, we actually have a monthly level right here. And for those of you that aren't super experienced with trading or don't really know what monthly level is, it's essentially where a red downtrend of monthly turns into a green monthly going up, or conversely, green going up on the monthly turning red. So another monthly level would be up here. But the one down here is a big bullish one, and it's located conveniently in perfect confluence with this 1.618, which is why I think we'll at least get a decent reaction off of that. Now we could sweep these lows, so the safest stop loss on that trade is actually at this wick low right here, but I don't want to have that much risk, so I'm going to put it at 50% of the wick, and we can calculate that right here. So let me turn on the 50. So I think if your stop loss is at 65.55, that will be safe. And then I'm expecting at least a 382 move to the upside. So hopefully around the 78 area, which is a massive 15% move, right? Obviously, we're going to TP before that, but I really like oil at this 67.75 area. Now, could this go higher? Yes, it can, and I'm going to explain why. And to do so, let me hop on the daily time frame. So this move down from this very high $129 area did come down in what appears to be a triple wave, right? So you have A, B, C, and we hit the 1.618 fib really nicely here, providing a super strong reaction and moving to the upside. So with that being said, this trade theoretically could at least break this $94 range and break these highs of 129. So this will definitely be something that I hold for the long run. But of course, TPing along the way and moving my stop loss up as it goes. Now, the other important thing to note is there is one bearish scenario. And the bearish scenario is that this is an A, B, C flat. And the reason why this is concerning is because it did hit the 1.618 nicely. And technically, that could mean that this correction is already done and we continue down. The reason why I don't love that is because on the 1 hour time frame, flats are supposed to have divergence. And as you can see, the B wave does not have a divergence. So this A wave goes up, the B wave comes down to break this low, but the RSI also breaks that low. So there's no divergence here, which you don't really want to see that on a flat. On a flat, normally you want to see this break the low, and then the divergence holds for that move up. So that's what kind of reassures me that it might not be a flat and that this long should play out very nicely. Another piece of confluence that I haven't mentioned yet is that this is actually the previous range volume area low. And what I mean by that is this large range here, that's actually the volume area low, which usually we get a nice bounce from, and it's just another beautiful piece of confluence right there. So keep an eye on oil, set your alerts, and hopefully this trade plays out good for you guys. Anyway, I'll be back with a Bitcoin update video soon. I wanted to keep this one short and sweet. And if you need an area to trade oil on, BingX, a crypto exchange, actually supports trading oil. They actually have futures on it. You just need a VPN if you're in the US. If you're overseas, no problem. But check out our link below for 20% off fees, and I'll see you in the next video.